Welcome back, chemistry fans. Today, we are going to be learning something about a new naming routine. It's called the polyatomic ions. Poly means many, and atomic means atom. So we're talking about many atoms coming together with a charge. Now, nothing changes about the process. We're still doing crisscross applesauce. It's just that now you're going to need to reference one of the pages in your cheat sheet that has a list of all the polyatomic ions. So if you don't mind, let's get and find that, get that out for today's lesson as well. I'm going to ask that you start following me along on the agenda so that you know what is expected of your progress today. Cancel that, sorry. So there we go. Nope, resume the share. I need to pause. Okay. As soon as the bell stops ringing, one of your cheat sheets at the top, it is listed common polyatomic ions. So that's the sheet that you're going to need. It has all of your polyatomic ions that you would ever need. And so that's what you're going to reference. I'm not asking you to memorize anything. I'm just asking you to reference it so that you can utilize it and know how to answer these questions dealing with nomenclature for polyatomic ions. Okay, so as we are going through your agenda here, what you will notice again is the idea that polyatomic ions are the focus. You should be able to name them. You should be able to use them to make names of formulas as well as write the formulas. That's our goal today while I'm absent. There's a fabulous video here that you can watch. These two ladies give you some hints about how you could start to memorize them if that is necessary for you taking the AP exam. Otherwise, just use it for entertainment. There is a warm-up that I will go over on a separate video to help you to understand those. That will be posted on this daily agenda. If we look at our calendar, you would find in here that you will be taking the test in November. I believe the date is November 13 or November 14, depending on your day of your class. So the expectation at that point is that you will be able to name any compound that I give you in any order, any fashion. If you look at your countdown calendar, we're talking that you are about 32% done with the school year. If you haven't yet paid for your tie-dye shirt, please make the effort to get that done, bringing in the money, or that you would pay for it online. I will have a list for you in class next time so we could start to make way, figure out who has and who hasn't made their payments, reimbursing the school. At some point today, you will need to take a 4-question quiz about nomenclature that we have studied so far, not incorporating today's lesson, and it will just figure out if you feel like you are ready to make some progress or if you need to get some more practice. Don't cheat on it. Please don't look off your neighbor. Please don't collaborate. Please just take the quiz and see where you stand if you need more practice or not. All right, then comes the notes. The video is already present, so watch the video for this one. And then we're going to ask you to start the practice of this new content, polyatomic ions. So in your bag, and I know that you have done this before, so you are going to have to ask the substitute, where is the bags? Please do not cross-pollinate. Please do not use the wrong bags or make your bags mixed up, because that screws up everyone later. You're going to need the 3 red dice. You're going to need the 3 blue dice, and then you're going to need 3 of the yellows and 3 of the greens. Now, with this, you're going to have to pay attention because you can't just put them together willy-nilly. Watch the video if you're unfamiliar, but make sure you put positives and negatives. Watch those signs. One of the particular that you're going to need to pay attention to is this positive polyatomic on the blue. It's the only one that's blue on here. And if you incorrectly put it with a positive, you will get a wrong answer. You need to make sure that you always have a positive with a negative. All right, after you get done with that, you have a homework assignment. And again, just practicing your polyatomics. It's not terribly challenging. All right, thank you very much for your time. Good luck, and I'm sorry I'm not there today. But the dryer ban only comes one day at a certain time, and I had to miss class to make sure it gets fixed. So thank you very much. Take care. Bye.